Anger is really spilling onto the streets outside the Irish embassy, with BJP protesters taking up Savita Halappanavar's cause. They want the government to act in this particular case. They call it a human rights violation amounting to murder, and want the government to take up this issue at the highest possible level. Yesterday, Smriti Irani of the BJP had written to Salman Khurshid, the Ministry of the External Affairs Minister, asking him to take serious note of this particular incident. The MEA, as Ritul Doshi was just telling us, has summoned the Irish envoy, and even as we speak, there are protesters outside the Irish embassy expressing their dissent over this entire case, which has really raised the hackles of the Indian community across the world and particularly sparked outrage in India in what is being seen as nothing short of murder of 31-year-old Indian origin dentist Savita Halappanavar. Remember, Savita Halappanavar was 17 weeks pregnant. She was miscarrying, and the Irish hospital there refused to terminate her pregnancy, as a result of which she died of septicemia. Maha Siddiqui now joins us on the phone line for more on this story. Maha, what is the Ministry of External Affairs plan of action? We understand that the Irish envoy has been summoned, but what's going to be the steps that they're going to take in this case?
Rukmini, first of all, what the Ministry of External Affairs wants to clarify is that the Irish Embassy had put out a statement in the morning saying that there are two inquiries that are being conducted, one out of which will have parts which are independent, which means will be public. However, what the clarification that really the Ministry of External Affairs would want to know is that whether it means that there will be an independent expert on the panel carrying out the inquiry, or whether that an independent expert will be overseeing the inquiry report. And perhaps that's one of the things that they want to know. It's only after this that they will really know the extent of the independence of the inquiries that are being carried out in Ireland, and then the Ministry of External Affairs will decide on the future course of action. Because remember, Rukmini, there's intense pressure now that a parallel independent inquiry is also carried out by the Indian mission in Dublin. So the government really has to take a call on that as well. Rukmini.
All right, Maha. Thank you very much for joining us with those latest details. We're telling our viewers about these latest visuals that they're seeing. Anger really spilling on to the streets from Dublin to Delhi over the death of 31-year-old Savita Halappanavar. A death after being denied abortion by a hospital in Ireland has once again reignited the debate on the need for clarity on abortion laws in the Catholic country. The Ministry of External Affairs has summoned the Irish ambassador to South Block, but there's no clarity on whether India will press for an independent probe into the death.
Now, obviously, this has something to do with the existing arrangements and the existing legal framework within Ireland, based on perhaps on religious beliefs. But we do sincerely hope that there can be no greater matter of religious belief in the obligation to save the life of a mother. If you can't save the child, you could at least save the life of a mother. But this is really for the Irish government to examine, and I do believe that in all sensitivity they will examine it and see what can be done, what should have been done. They have instituted 2 inquiries. We will also today formally approach the Irish government through our mission. We will formally approach the Irish government and seek their indulgence and certainly seek their response on our very, very sad concern.
Meanwhile, Savita's family and friends are demanding that the probe be taken away from the Health and Safety Services and the hospital in Ireland. The hospital has been accused of letting Savita die despite her pleas. Leading the demand is Savita's family friend and a surgeon, CVR Prasad. He says, and I quote, "Any inquiry should be public. I hope that might save the life of another woman. This should never happen to another woman. Religion and medicine should never mix."
Basically, why impose the law on someone who is not non-Irish, or someone who is non-Irish, or someone who is not Catholic?
The inquiry should be held internationally, and the Irish rule must be changed. I request our central government to act accordingly.
And that is the question that we're asking here on Headlines today. Shouldn't the Irish government prosecute the doctors for negligence? Is the law being used to gloss over what is apparent negligence? Were the doctors attending to Savita guilty of selective application of the law? Why is the Indian government not pressing for an independent probe? All right, we just told you about BJP activists who are conducting protests outside the Irish embassy. One of the BJP leaders, Vijay John, is speaking out there. Let's listen into what he has to say.
Or we as the members of the BJP are exercising a right to protest against this brutal humanity which has been shown to the Indian young lady who was 31 years aged in Ireland.
So important question ये है कि आप लोग इस पूरे मुद्दे को उठा रहे हैं, लेकिन इंडियन गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से जो रिस्पॉन्स आना चाहिए, जो विरोध दर्ज कराना चाहिए, उस पर कहीं लगता है कि इंडियन गवर्नमेंट थोड़ी सी ढीली पड़ रही है।
देखिए, भारत के प्रमुख विपक्षी दल भारतीय जनता पार्टी की ओर से, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के महिला मोर्चा की नेत्रियों के नेतृत्व के अंदर हम अपना जिम्मेदारी का सर्वदा निर्वाह करने के लिए आज आयरिश एम्बेसी पे जा रहे हैं। हम चाहते हैं कि भारत के विदेश मंत्री आयरलैंड के राजदूत को फॉरेन ऑफिस में समन करें, उनसे इस बात की पूछताछ करें और जो संबंधित जो आयरलैंड में हॉस्पिटल के डॉक्टर्स हैं, जो संबंधित अधिकारी हैं, उनके साथ ना केवल जवाब तलब किया जाए अपितु उनके ऊपर कानूनी कार्रवाई भी तुरंत शीघ्र अतिशीघ्र चालू होनी चाहिए। बिकॉज भारत के अंदर ना केवल महिला समाज में, भारत के प्रत्येक वर्ग में जो मरी हुई हमारी बहन सविता हल्पनार, एक हमारी मां चली गई है और उसके साथ उसका परिवार शोक संतप्त है। इसके बारे में भारतीय जनता पार्टी के हम सभी कार्यकर्ता बहुत ही गुस्से में हैं, रोष में हैं और हमारी अपेक्षा है कि भारत सरकार, विदेश मंत्रालय इसके ऊपर जरूर तुरंत कोई ना कोई कदम उठाए।